The 2026 Toyota Coaster Bus, a game-changer in passenger transport. The 2026 Toyota Coaster Bus variant is redefining passenger transport, seamlessly combining functionality, comfort, and style. Let's dive into every detail, from its exterior to its interior, and discover why this bus is a top choice for businesses and institutions. Front side design. The front of the 2026 Toyota Coaster blends modern aesthetics with practicality. A bold chrome-finished grille takes center stage, flanked by sleek LED headlights that ensure exceptional visibility during night drives. These headlights come equipped with automatic high-beam technology for added safety. Below the grille, the bumper features large fog lights to enhance safety in adverse weather conditions. A panoramic windshield provides the driver with an extensive field of view, while strategically placed wipers ensure efficient cleaning. The Toyota emblem sits proudly on the grille, representing the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. Backside features. The rear of the coaster is designed with functionality in mind. Large vertical LED taillights enhance visibility for trailing vehicles, while a high-mounted brake light adds an extra layer of safety. The rear door is built for easy access, making luggage loading and unloading hassle-free, with a durable handle for everyday use. A sturdy bumper and integrated reflectors contribute to overall safety and durability, making the coaster an ideal choice for commercial use. While the rear windshield is minimal, it provides sufficient visibility and includes a rear wiper for rainy conditions. Toyota also offers an optional rear camera for enhanced reversing and parking convenience. Interior view. Stepping inside, the 2026 Toyota Coaster boasts a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin, comfortably accommodating up to 30 passengers, depending on the seating configuration. The seats are upholstered in premium fabric or leather, depending on the trim level, and feature adjustable headrests for enhanced comfort during long journeys. Each row of seats is equipped with ample legroom and dedicated air conditioning vents to ensure a cool and comfortable ride. The high-quality anti-slip flooring is designed to withstand heavy foot traffic, while overhead luggage compartments provide ample storage for passengers' belongings. LED lighting along the ceiling creates a bright and welcoming ambience. For entertainment, Toyota has included an advanced multimedia system with a high-resolution touchscreen at the front. This system supports Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and optional navigation, keeping both drivers and passengers connected and informed. The driver's area is ergonomically designed, featuring a fully adjustable seat, a clear instrument cluster, and conveniently placed controls. Toyota has ensured that drivers enjoy a commanding view of the road while maintaining comfort during long hours behind the wheel. Safety features include airbags, ABS, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking for enhanced peace of mind. Performance and engine options. The 2026 Toyota Coaster offers reliable performance with its robust 4.0L diesel engine, renowned for its durability and fuel efficiency. This engine strikes a perfect balance between power and economy, making it suitable for both urban and highway driving. A smooth 6-speed automatic transmission ensures effortless gear shifts, while an advanced suspension system guarantees a stable ride, even on rough roads. Technology and features. Toyota has equipped the 2026 Coaster with advanced technology to elevate the overall experience. Standard features include keyless entry, a push-button start, and automatic climate control, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Safety remains a top priority, with features such as a pre-collision system, stability control, and a tire pressure monitoring system. These technologies enhance driver confidence and contribute to overall passenger safety. Pricing. The 2026 Toyota Coaster Bus variant starts at $80,000 for the base model, with premium trims reaching up to $95,000. This competitive pricing reflects the coaster's unmatched reliability, advanced features, and superior build quality. Toyota also offers flexible financing options and extended warranties, making it an attractive option for fleet operators and organizations. Final thoughts. The 2026 Toyota Coaster bus variant redefines passenger transport with its sleek exterior, comfortable interior, and robust performance. Designed to cater to businesses, schools, and travel agencies, it is the perfect choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish transport solution. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance journeys, the Coaster ensures every ride is safe, comfortable, and efficient. Would you consider the 2026 Toyota Coaster for your fleet? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VIP Auto TV for more updates on the latest vehicles.